Lake Tahoe traffic, Cherokee 4071 Romeo will be taxiing to runway 36 on Alpha, Lake Tahoe traffic. Lake Tahoe traffic, Cherokee 4071 Romeo is departing runway 36 straight out, Lake Tahoe traffic. So, lights, camera, action, fuel pump. Speed is green. Airspeed is 50. 60. 65. Accelerate to 70. No, accelerate to 90 rather. Lake Tahoe traffic, Cherokee 71 Romeo is 5 north at 7,200. We'll be circling around Camp Richardson at 6,800 Lake Tahoe traffic. Lake Tahoe traffic, Cherokee 71 Romeo is 5 northwest at 7,700 climbing to 10,500 southbound Tahoe traffic. Palo Alto Tower, Cherokee 4071 Romeo is 9.5 northeast at 2,400, inbound full stop with Victor.
Cherokee 4071 Romeo, Palo Alto, tower enter midfield, right down runway 31.
Enter midfield, right downwind runway 31, 71 Romeo.
Cherokee 71 Romeo, turn at base at the amphitheater.
And 71 Romeo is unfamiliar, could you call me a base turn?
71 Romeo, roger, when you're about 3 miles from the arrival end, you can turn base. There should be a pretty much right between us and Moffett.
71 Romeo.
Right course, my discussion, 296 Alpha.
This is 296 Mac Echo, runway 31, line up away traffic, Cherokee, right base.
Line up runway 31, 296 Mac Echo.
Cherokee 71 Romeo, runway 31, continue traffic holding position.
Continue runway 31, 71 Romeo.
Yellow, keep it rolling, runway 31, clear for takeoff, follow the Cessna.
Follow Cessna, runway 31, clear for takeoff, 4 Echo Kilo.
Cherokee 71 Romeo, number 1, runway 31, clear to land.
Runway 31, clear to land, 71 Romeo.
Cheers, 9 Whiskey Alpha, change approved, good day.
Frequency change approved to 9 Whiskey Alpha, thank you.
That's 6 Delta X-ray, runway 31, line up away, traffic, Cessna, right that one.
Line up and away, 6 Delta X-ray.
Was 1322 Kilo, runway 31, base turn is your discretion. There will be 1 departure prior to arrival, and traffic holding position.
Runway 31, base turn, my discretion to the field.
371 Romeo, all the way in the end on Zulu, contact ground 125.0, good day.
Turn at Zulu, contact ground, thank you, 71 Romeo.
6 Delta X-ray, correction, right close traffic, runway 31, clear for takeoff, 13408.
Palo Alto ground, Cherokee 4071 Romeo is clear of runway 31 on Zulu, would like to taxi back to takeoff.
Cherokee 4071 Romeo, Palo Alto ground, runway 31, taxi Zulu, suggest Yankee, and taxi back onto Zulu, Yankee 1 Zulu, hold short runway 31, say departure request.
Taxi via Zulu to the ramp on Yankee, then Yankee 1 back to Zulu to 31, and request is straight out departure to San Carlos.
71 Romeo, roger, expect straight out.
71 Romeo. Carlos Tower, Palo Alto Tower, Cherokee 4071 Romeo is holding short runway 31 on Zulu.
Cherokee 4071 Romeo, Palo Alto Tower, Roger, hold position.
Hold position 71 Romeo.
Cherokee 71 Romeo, runway 31, line up, wait, traffic, Cessna, right downwind.
Runway 31, line up and wait, 71 Romeo.
So 6 Mike Echo, runway 31, continue, traffic holding in position.
Continue 31296 Mike Echo.
Cherokee 71 Romeo, keep the upwind Cessna off your right, straight out approved, runway 31, clear for takeoff, 1340 at 9er.
Runway 31 cleared, takeoff straight out approved, keep the Cessna on the right, 71 Romeo.
So 6 Mike Echo, your number 1, runway 31, clear for the option.
Philadelphia 31296 Mike Echo.
Palo Alto Tower, Diamond Star 202 Lima Sierra, holding short Yankee 1, ready for departure for runway 31.
Diamond Star 202 Lima Sierra, Palo Alto Tower, hold short, runway 31, landing traffic.
Hold short, runway 31 to Lima Sierra.
This is a 4 eyes of Kilo, hold short of Kilo for now, you can give way to a Cessna coming out of the run-up. Behind them, you'll be number 3 for departure.
We'll be number 3 and give way.
Cherokee 71 Romeo, traffic just ahead to your left is a Pilatus inbound to San Carlos. They're on the right base. You can contact San Carlos Tower 119.0. Good day.
Contact Tower 119.0, have the Pilatus in sight. Thanks, 71 Romeo.
Delta Mike 1 go.
Lancer now, Delta Mike, you're currently number 6 in the landing sequence, so you can reduce your speed accordingly.
Okay.
07 Uniform, you had the Cessna off your right inside on downwind.
I did.
07 Uniform, maintain visual separation, contact NorCal departure.
Contact NorCal departure 7 Uniform Romeo. 3 Papa Charlie, we're going to have to ask turn down final to make this work with spacing.
Bay flight 14, San Carlos Tower, hold short runway 30. Hold resort 30. Last call, calling 30.
3 Papa Charlie, Pilatus, we're going to have to ask turn down final to make the spacing work with the 150 in front of us.
3 Papa Charlie, right, number 2, runway 30, clear to land, and I'll call you final 10, send your current heading.
Roger, 3 Papa Charlie.
Contact flight service frequencies. There's no aircraft hazardous weather information available.
San Carlos Tower, Cherokee 4071 Romeo is 5 southeast at 1000, just off Palo Alto, inbound full stop.
Bay flight 20 to 10800. Plus 2 Papa Charlie, turn final.
Turning final, 3 Papa Charlie.
6 on Mike, you have the Pilatus in sight. 1,000 feet.
I thought
yeah, we do. 136 on Mike. That's the 6 on Mike, follow that traffic, runway 30, clear for the option, do not go into Palo Alto.
Follow that traffic, clear for the option. 136 on Mike.
Bay flight 20, traffic 11 o'clock, 1200 is a Cessna. You have in sight? Bay flight 20, follow that traffic, number 4, runway 30, clear for the option.
Traffic number 4, clear for the option to 30, report 20.
Lancer 9 Delta Mike, cross over to 30 numbers. Sister 6 Kilo Tango, you're going to follow a Lancer crossing over to 101 at 2000, descending for the downwind.
6 Kilo Tango, Roger. We're on the downwind, sir. Can we widen out to the left a bit?
6 Kilo Tango, he's faster than you. He should be fitting right in front of you.
6 Kilo Tango, okay, looking.
6 Kilo Tango, look high above the runway at 1005, descending is a Lancer. Lancer now Delta Mike, start your right turn to the downwind.
San Carlos Tower, Cessna 606, clearance to land, runway 30.
606, affirmative, runway 30, clear for the option, number 1.
30, clear for the option, Cessna 606.
Tango, you see the Lancer?
Yeah, inside 6 Kilo Tango.
6 Kilo Tango, just follow them in.
Follow the Lancer 6 Kilo Tango.
Lancer now Delta Mike, I'll point out your traffic.
Delta Mike.
San Carlos Tower, Cherokee 4071 Romeo, 5 east at 1000, bound full stop with Juliet.
Last call in tower, IDEN, and say your call sign again?
IDEN Cherokee 4071 Romeo.
Cherokee 4071 Romeo, San Carlos Tower, Roger. IDEN observed over the Sunken Ship. I'll call your inbound turn here momentarily and verify I have Juliet.
Have Juliet, and could have a vector to the hold point.
Cherokee 71 Romeo, off your right side, about half a mile is a Sunken Ship in the water. You see it?
Affirmative, 71 Romeo.
hold there.
71 Romeo.
909 Delta Mike, traffic coming up on your right side on final to Cessna.
Delta Mike, how's the traffic, Delta Mike?
To Mike, roger, number 3, runway 30, clear to land, follow traffic.
Delta Mike.
Taxi down, 606.
Just a 6 kilo tango, number 4, runway 30, clear for the option.
Number 430, cleared up, 6 kilo tango.
Just a 6 Mike, turn left at Delta, runway 30, taxi via kilo.
Turn left at Delta, taxi runway 30 via kilo. Mike.
Completion of that 360 and a right base, runway 30, reports them on plan. Cherokee 71 Romeo.
Repeat please, 71 Romeo.
Cherokee 71 Romeo, make one more left 360 and then report cement plan right base runway 30.
One more left 360, then right base runway 30, 71 Romeo.
Takeoff, tower. Information Juliet 51747 Zulu, wind 010 visibility 10 miles.
Cherokee 71 Romeo, you're going to follow a Cessna midfield downwind, report him in sight.
Follow a Cessna midfield downwind while searching for traffic, 71 Romeo. Traffic in sight, 71 Romeo.
Cherokee 71 Romeo, roger, follow that traffic, then extending downwind.
Follow traffic to extend downwind, 71 Romeo.
So Mike, taxi across runway 30 Delta, turn left on Lima, and contact ground point 6 on the other side. Bay flight 20, turn final at the AT&T tower.
Turn final at AT&T tower. Did you mean base flight 20?
Bay flight 20, turn base to final.
Base to final, base flight 20.
Rated 7 Victor Foxtrot, Coyote Hills departure, runway 30, clear for takeoff.
77 Victor Foxtrot, Coyote Hills, clear for takeoff.
Bay flight 20, base turn approved, runway 30, clear for the option.
Base approved, 30 cleared for the option, base flight 20.
Cherokee 71 Romeo, still have the Cessna in sight.
Cessna in sight, 71 Romeo.
Say intentions after landing.
Full stop and terminate, 71 Romeo.
Cherokee 71 Romeo, roger, follow traffic number 2, runway 30, clear to land.
Follow Cessna number 2, runway 30, clear to land, 71 Romeo.
Turning right, entering a downwind, 77 Victor Fox.
606, runway 30, clear for takeoff.
Runway 30, clear for takeoff.
Number 7 Victor Fox, stay below 1,200.
0 left run up, request a Coyote Cell departure.
Rated 7 Victor Fox, stay below 1,200.
Staying below 1,200 for 77 Victor Fox.
Sirius 458 Mike, San Carlos Tower, next step to hold show runway 30.
Alright, hold short runway 30, 8 Mike.
6606, you're going to follow a King Air, 7 mile final 1,500 on a straight in.
Welcome to traffic, Stand Pilot 606.
King Air 74 Juliet, start your left turn to intercept final for traffic on downwind.
Square it up, 74 Juliet.
King Air 74 Juliet, number 1, runway 30 cleared to land, will be a Cirrus departing prior to arrival.
Little land 3074 Juliet.
Cherokee 71 Romeo, turn right when able and contact ground point 6.
Right when able, ground point 6, thank you, 71 Romeo.
Since the 6006, the King Air is over the AT&T tower 1,400. Clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, runway 30, 8 Mike.
San Carlos Ground, Cherokee 4071 Romeo is clear, runway 30 at Charlie, taxi to transient.
Cherokee 4071 Romeo, San Carlos Ground, are you familiar?
Familiar, 71 Romeo.
Cherokee 71 Romeo, taxi transient via Mike.
Transient via Mike, 71 Romeo.
Columbia 373 Delta Foxtrot, San Carlos Ground, runway 30, run up area taxi via Mike.
Runway 30, run up area via Mike, 373 Delta Foxtrot.